Zeno's paradoxes are a set of philosophical problems and thought experiments devised by the ancient Greek philosopher Zeno of Elea to challenge the concept of motion and the idea that space and time are infinitely divisible. Zeno lived in the 5th century BCE and was a disciple of Parmenides, who argued that change and plurality were illusions. The most famous of Zeno's paradoxes are the Dichotomy Paradox, the Achilles and the Tortoise Paradox, and the Arrow Paradox. Dichotomy Paradox. In this paradox, Zeno argues that to reach a destination, one must first reach the halfway point, then the halfway point of the remaining distance, and so on, ad infinitum. Since there are an infinite number of steps, Zeno concludes that motion is impossible. Achilles and the Tortoise Paradox. In this paradox, Achilles, the Greek hero, gives a tortoise a head start in a race. Zeno argues that Achilles can never overtake the tortoise because, by the time Achilles reaches the tortoise's starting point, the tortoise will have moved a certain distance, and this process will repeat infinitely. Arrow Paradox. Zeno argues that an arrow in flight is not moving, as at any given instant, it occupies a particular position. Since time is composed of instants, and at each instant the arrow is at rest, the arrow is always at rest, and motion is an illusion. Zeno's paradoxes were significant in the history of philosophy because they challenged the common-sense notions of motion and led to debates among philosophers on the nature of space, time, and infinity. The paradoxes also played a role in the development of mathematical concepts related to the infinite, such as the notion of convergent series. The resolution to Zeno's paradoxes came centuries later with the development of calculus, particularly the work of mathematicians like Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Calculus provided a mathematical framework to understand and handle the infinite processes involved in motion and change. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.